Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our kitchen. So today we are doing an unboxing and a review video. We're unboxing the Whall toaster oven air fryer. This we were very impressed with, and let me tell you why. It is a max extra large 30-quart small oven. It has 11-in-1 functions. It is a toaster oven. Works on your countertop. But the best thing about this is that it has a steaming function. We have never had an air fryer that has a steaming function, and we were super duper impressed. First of all, we did love the black, sleek look of this. Once we take it out the box, you'll be able to see it is not overly large, although it has a large capacity. The second thing that I really liked about this particular air fryer is that they have, it tells you what you're trying to cook. It has levels, and I like being able to know that if I'm doing fries, that needs to go on level 2. If I'm doing bacon, that needs to go on level 1. You know, I like knowing that because it gives you a more even heat distribution. So I really, really, really love that. So what it is, it's an air fryer, a convection oven, a steam oven, a bread maker, and a grill all in one. And so you're getting the best of all of those worlds at the same time. So here's Jackson just helping Mom get this out of the box. It was not heavy at all, actually very, very light, but trying to get it out of all of this superb packaging. Jackson just came over and helped me just a tiny bit to get it out and onto our center island. See that little piece on the side? That is actually where you have your steaming function. You fill that up with water for any of your items that you want to steam. This did come with the user's manual as well as a recipe book to tell you times specific for any of the items that you did want to use different functions for. Most teenagers, my teenagers specific, are into pizza, fries, chicken. Jackson loves to cook, and he also loves to experiment, but he wants it done fast. This is the only air fryer that we've ever had that comes with the included oven mitt. This does have 4 different accessories. There's a fry basket, there's a steaming pan, there's another rack where you do your main frying. So you do want to make sure that you pull out all of your accessories and your styrofoam pieces, because there are some pieces inside that keeps your accessories from floating around when it's in transit. We got this from Amazon, and I will leave a link down in the description box for anyone who is interested in this. But you're going to get the best bang for your buck in finding this particular air fryer because it does such a lot of things. So again, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. So talking about some of the features in this, you have your base, your temperature gauge is LED display. It has your function volumes for the light and the air fryer. This air fryer, let me just say this right off the top of my head, was so quiet. We were trying to determine if it was really on. Now the light came on when we hit the start button. We used that basket to do his fries, and it worked out so well. I'm going to let you hear the fries in a second. He can also do baking in this, but then it has a pull-out crumb tray that's under the very bottom. And what I'm showing there or touching on is they have different steam features already on the front of the air fryer, and then at the bottom to my immediate left where those 2 pieces of tape are, that's your crumb basket. So anything that falls, you just pull that basket out, and you can then dump that right into your trash can or your sink or whatever. I'm just wiping it down because I want to make sure that it's clean. There's an enamel baking pan. It has preset menus. I think there's 15 presets already connected to this particular air fryer. So this experience was very good. Out of all the air fryers that we have had, and most of them we have given away, this by far has been, I would say, hands down my favorite, particularly because of that very noiseless system and process. I don't like a whole lot of noise. My refrigerator makes noise. Every air fryer we've had made noise, and it's not my fave. So you're going to see me hit the start button, and right there, everything is in color code. It's LED. You can see all the pictures for all the presets that they have. And so we used this basket to do his fries, and it told us to put it on level 2. So I had my levels wrong. I wanted to make sure that I was counting. So this was level 2. It's 410 degrees for 20 minutes. And so here, this is where I was trying to figure out. Me and Jackson are going, is it on? Is it on? Jackson, do you think it's on? Because it was making literally no noise. And I was like, oh, yeah, it's on. It's cooking. Don't worry. It's doing what it's supposed to do. When that light comes on, it is cooking for sure. And using all of the controls were very easy. So again, I'm going to have this in the description box for anybody that is interested. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 for sure. So again, that's me trying to figure out, is this thing really working? Because there was literally no noise. But we're going to post a link for you all in the description box below for anyone that is interested. Move, Brenda. And here we are starting our pantry challenge. This is some meat that we had in the freezer. It is ground turkey. So I just told Jackson, I said, let's go ahead and put it in a pan, do some taco seasoning because we had that on hand. Let's go ahead and make some tacos. This turned out very well. My kids are very funny when we were sitting down to eat. They're like, Mom, where do you come up with these ideas from? I was like, I don't know. I just have items on hand. I think about what we can use with them. And that's how my mind works. Jackson says, I cook, I don't idea. So they're very funny. But we had some carb counter wraps because, of course, we're going back to the keto. So we had some carb counter wraps in the fridge. We're using a little bit of lettuce here. We're going to top this with some of that meat, some cheese, a little bit of queso, and that's going to be our meal for the day. Over to the left, that is some corn salsa that I canned. I got that recipe from Becky over at Acre Homestead, and it is very good. This was my first time having any of it. Jackson has had some before, and they ate it all. Actually, they opened a small one a while back, and it was all gone. Another friend of mine, I gave her some, and she ate all of hers. But it was the very first time I'd tried it. It is sweet because you use sugar in this recipe. This is Jackson's plate, so you're going to see him scrape that counter and put that meat back on his plate, and that this is his plate to do so. But anywho, you guys, we do want to thank you all so very much for stopping by our channel. We want to thank you all for participating in the pantry challenge. If you are, let us know what are some of the things that you have made with some of your items that you have found in your pantry. And thank you again so much for supporting us to get to 50,000 plus members, subscribers on our channel. That has been a blessing for us. The kids and I are very appreciative of everything that you do for us as far as watching, sharing, commenting, liking, doing all the things, and just overall, following our journey. Many of you have told us, you're following along. We're so excited to see the things that you're going to be doing. But here is what we're doing. This is, I think, our very first pantry meal, and it is going to be yum and delish. Jackson did enjoy his meal. Sister enjoyed hers as well. And Mom enjoyed the one taco that they gave me. Yes, I said one. They gave me one. Anywho, thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye now.